trying this.
Okay, let's try it with this one here.
We only got like 20 minutes to do your intro now. So
whatever, dude.
don't be
I don't know. I hope it's gonna be okay.
taking up all the
I
time.
hope they can see us okay. Alright, can y'all see us okay?
I'm always doing something different when you start filming.
I know, it's like weird, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's because you're always waiting on me.
Waiting.
I told you that's what you get for trying to use that thing.
This nut bucket. We're gonna have to try again.
Oh my gosh, I cannot improv again.
Well, we're
You're
gonna have
to
to
start being prepared.
Sorry, I see the little flashy thingy now.
Oh yeah, is it recording now?
It's the little flasher light thing.
So let's try this again. Guess what? Pretend we haven't done this before. Well, they've not seen it before, so I guess we haven't, right?
So I guess it don't matter.
Okay, all right. Hey, I'm Natalie.
And I'm Billy.
And today is?
Date day.
Today is date day. And today is my turn to plan date day. And the weather is kind of nasty. I had something in mind. Spent some time this morning trying to figure out if that's going to work. We are still doing our little series, and I think Billy's created a playlist so you guys can see those. It's towns around Table Rock. So I was going to go with something different today.
Sorry, I'm feeling good because Kansas City Chiefs won the Super Bowl.
Okay. Anyway, I was going to do something different today, but then we get off track and we won't get back to this.
Yeah.
So, it's not raining, it's not snowing, it is a little chilly, but we're going to give this a shot.
We're heading to town.
We're going to town, y'all. Y'all want to go to town?
So jump in the back seat. We want y'all to go with us. We fixing to head on an adventure. All right, if you did notice the sign right there, we just came into the city limits of Shell Knob, Missouri. And Shell Knob is quite the lake town. A lot of people may not know about Shell Knob. It's not widely known as a big touristy area. There are a number of resorts and campgrounds and things around the area because it's surrounded by Table Rock Lake and also the Kings River. One of the things you may not know about Shell Knob is years ago, down a lot of the side roads, there were many cottages and fishing camps and stuff, and many of which are still there and have been converted into smaller type resorts and everything. But we'll talk a little bit more about that in a little while. Right now, I hope you guys enjoy the video and this little hidden gem that we found, and just continue to stick with us. We got pretty Table Rock Lake over on this side. And then on this side, we also have Table Rock Lake. And from that same direction, the Kings River feeds into Table Rock Lake. And where it is, yeah, there's a Pizza Hut right there, and they also have a dock down there, so you can dock your boat. So you can dock your boat and walk up the hill there, the stairs to Pizza Hut. So anyway, once we get to where we're going, we'll check back in with you. How's that sound? So, but until then, we gone. So we stopped to get some food, and Natalie took and she brought us to a gas station. Can y'all believe this? Can you believe it?
Well, last time I took you to stuff and it wasn't open, so just be glad this one's open.
It's not just a gas station; they got propane too. So, all right, but we're going this place, and they do have a playground back here and an outdoor eating area. So, but anyway, we're gonna go and check this place out. There's been some huge reviews on it, so we'll let y'all know.
Hey, check this out, guys. Plus already. Look at that ice.
That's awesome ice right
Hello,
there.
and looky here. Gold Peak green tea. Y'all ignore my fingernail polish.
It's all good.
Oh my goodness.
All good. And look what we get.
We just had the lunch special. So I think it was cheeseburger and fries for $6.
Yeah.
And these are 100% beef, hand pressed, not frozen, fresh hamburger patties.
And we are at Area 71 in Shell Knob, Missouri.
And we also got Google reviews said you had to try this. Okay, the Google review said that you had to try the spicy fried green beans. So we tried spicy fried green beans.
Mm,
Yes.
that does look good.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna eat, y'all.
Hey,
We're gonna eat.
we'll see y'all later.
All right, bye.
Well, pass round them bacon and them beans, Lord, Lord. Pass round them bacon and them beans.
All right, out here is another eating area. Now it is really cold outside, but Natalie, is it cold in this room in here?
No, I actually wanted to eat out here, but I was being silly because I thought it was going to be cold. And we walk out here after we've done eat, and it's warm out here, so it's heated.
It's heated out here. It's insulated, and this is pretty cool because this is basically like at a gas station, and we'll get some footage again out front. You can get gas here. There is, did you say there's 24-hour fuel available here?
24-hour fuel available. There's a small convenience store, but the bulk of it is really the restaurant.
Yeah. So it's not like a gas station that has like a little quick deli or anything like that. They actually have an extensive menu. They run lunch specials and that kind of stuff.
Breakfast all day.
Yeah, breakfast all
With
day.
hot syrup on tap.
Yes, hot syrup on tap. It is awesome. So, and this is a cool little sitting area out here. And of course, you've got the roll-up doors that would look like a garage. Here's an actual set of roll-up doors that you can actually go out into, because you could, I'm sure they open this up in the summertime. You can go out here and eat on the patio. So, and you can tell it's a little bit rainy outside today. And there's also a playground back there for the kiddos. So this is a pretty amazing place, and this is on Highway YY at Shell Knob, and it's on the way to Campbell Point, which is an Army Corps of Engineer campground. And this place is called Area 71, and we'll get some roll.
Also, free Wi-Fi. The cell service isn't so crazy out here sometimes, but they have free Wi-Fi for their guests.
That's awesome. So this is awesome. We love this place. Definitely recommend it. Very clean, very hospitable. And I'll just get some walkthrough footage of the main area in there, and then we'll continue on our journey. So they also have ice cream
They do
here.
ice cream and full supply of alcohol. Not supply, but you know what I
But
mean.
yeah. Oh, here we go. Awesome,
goodness.
awesome, awesome. Very, very cool. Oh, it's good. That's all right.
I'll be in a sleep coma on the way home.
Nah, you're good.
Thank you very much.
Awesome. So they have waffle cones, or they have regular cake cones. Very, very good. Very good.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Definitely. This is Area 71, and of course there's your gas pumps. And but man, don't mistake it for just a gas station. And look here, they even have a sign that says "Honk and we will fill your tank." They also have daily specials, and again, they have breakfast all day. And come and see them. You can find them on Facebook at Area 71 in Shell Knob, Missouri. So come and see these folks. Very friendly people, great service, and and very good food. And as we're coming back into the main part of town here in Shell Knob from Table Rock Area 71, I know some of you are probably wondering, well, what exactly is in the town? What does it have to offer? Well, you can see here on the right there is a storage facility, which there are many in and around the area. And we're kind of coming up into the more of the business district part of town. And then here in a moment, we'll pull into a little shopping center where there are a number of businesses in the shopping center, and kind of pan around across the highway and everything. They have a Meeks lumber and hardware store. They have a Harder House for a grocery store. In my opinion, Harder House has some of the best meats available. Great quality meats at great prices too. They've got some boat sales businesses there in town. Of course, they have, I believe, 3 different banks there in town as well, and insurance offices. There's also a fitness center that's just on down that way before we turned in, continue north, and there was a fitness center down there, pretty decent size as well. And there's the post office, and we're just kind of making the round through this one business center here, this little shopping center area. There's boutique. I'll just kind of let you guys look at that through, and then here in a moment we're going to park the truck, and then I'll get out and do a kind of a pan around view across the highway. There are thrift stores in town. There's a library down here in the corner of the shopping center here. I believe it's the Barry Lawrence Community Library. Right there on the other side of the Shell Knob Insurance Agency, right there's the library. And then the Thrifty Closet, which is a thrift store there in town. And also there's a number of different eating establishments, different restaurants, cafes, and things like that in and around the area there. No, there's not an overwhelming abundance of them, but the ones that are there are very good. There's a couple of them that we have tried before we found out about Table Rock Area 71. So heading that way, the direction the cars are heading, you go back down that way to the bridge, to cross over the bridge, and then back out of town toward the south. There's Harder House. One of the things I do want to recommend is for you to get on Google Maps, and you can go into look up Shell Knob, and then the icons of the different businesses. There are restaurants and things available at various marinas there along the water on the Kings River and on Table Rock Lake. And also you can check out, there's a number of different resorts that are in and around that area as well, so check those out. We've not ever stayed at any of the resorts there, and I have stayed at Camel Point Campground years ago when I was young, when I was a kid, but I definitely do want to get back over there and do some fishing. So the type of fishing that's available, you're going to have largemouth bass, smallmouth bass. There's going to be Kentuckies. There's going to be catfish. You're going to have flathead, blue cat, bullhead, channel cat, white bass, crappie, and also there's some walleye. There's a lot of water sports to do. You know, you've got a number of different marinas that are along the water's edge there, where they rent and or sell pontoons, tritoons, wave runners, jet skis, fishing boats, ski boats, and things like that. So you can check in a lot of those around the area there. Folks, I sure hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I hope that it was insightful and entertaining as well. Hope that you get a chance to go over and visit the lake town of Shell Knob, Missouri. Check out some of its history and all of the wonderful things that it has to offer. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, we'd appreciate it if you'd show some love. Give us a subscribe on our YouTube channel. Also, you can find us on Facebook at Backroads and Byways. And make sure to look for the logo so you know it's us. And give us a like on Facebook. And also follow us for future adventures and other things that we've got going on. So until next time, y'all take care, stay safe, and God bless.